Hi there, my name is April Sawtell and welcome to my channel. Today what I'm going to be doing is I just want to show you this quick little thing I just came up with. So I was on the computer. It all started because I needed grippers for the back of my iPad, the back of my laptop, and the back of my phone because it's very slippery. When you go to grab it, there's nothing there to grab onto. So as I was looking through, I found a whole bunch also of these little grippers. And they were like $10 for not very many. And I decided I'll keep looking. And then I got into the quilting ones to go on the backs of the rulers because then I started thinking, well, I need them to go on the backs of the rulers too. I need them for all of my electronics and for the back of the rulers. You know how like some rulers have these little grippers? All of my creative grids, they're non-slip. So they have all these little things that hold that right firm on the fabric. Well, I have a lot of rulers, especially my long rulers, that don't have anything. And I've been doing a lot of slipping. So I went and I put a bunch of stuff in my cart. I was going to buy these grippers. And then all of a sudden, I had this idea. I had bought these bath grippers. They go on the bathtub. And I bought these a long time ago to put on the bottom of my bathtub to be non-slip. And I'm like, I know I still have some of those. Why can't I use those? They're the same sort of thing, right? You peel it off and you stick it on. Well, as I was looking at the ones on Amazon and I was looking at these, I was like, well, these are going to give me a lot more space. The other ones are just little circles. So I'm just going to show you. I also have these shower grips that attach to a shower wall to hold on to. And I've had them for my rulers. But the problem is, I don't, they come off easy. So they're fine just to stick on. You hold your fabric, but your ruler can still move. But it gives a lot more pressure by using these grips. You can put your weight on it. They're very, very easy to apply, and they're really big. So that's what I like too. And they're clear. So all I'm going to do is just go to the back, make sure your rulers are clean or your electronics. So all you do is you just peel the paper off it, and then you just put it on your ruler. This one I'm just going to put one on. And yes, it does. I can see that little fish a little bit, but my goodness, it's perfect. I'm so excited. And I put the bath grips on there, and honestly, I have got no movement. And you can just cut your fabric. And it's not like I need to use this shower thing. Let's just say I want to just use my ruler. I'm just going to line this up. I mean, look at that. It doesn't move. I'm so excited. So now I have these little fish on the back of all of my rulers and my electronics. And you know what? It's okay because it's definitely stuck down. And I just saved myself a ton of money because I don't need to buy anything. I already had it. So a little hack for your backs of your rulers that don't have grippies. I hope you enjoyed this little tip. I'll see you next time. Remember to keep it simple. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Bye.